mood changed. Mood is set. Okay? But you gotta do it right, okay? Okay, you can't just be like, I'm gonna sing the song and I'll be in trouble. No, that's not how it works. Okay? Alright, so she's getting a little moody on you. Okay? Just remember, she might not be mad at you. Okay? She might have bad at work. Having her dumb sisters or her mom. Okay? Don't say it's your mom. No, don't say that, okay? What you're gonna do is that she's gonna move. You're gonna gently just wrap your arms around her waist. Okay? Just like this. And at first she may be like, just ignore that. Okay? She loves it, she ain't gonna tell you, okay? So just be Mr. Cool, be Mr. Smiley. Don't be like, what's your problem? No, that ain't gonna work. Alright? Just keep holding her, okay? And you're gently gonna take her bottom lip and gently caress her earlobe. Like that. Yeah? And then you're gonna pull her in real nice and close. You're gonna put her tongue against you just like this. Or just like that. Alright? Whichever one you're working with, man, just pull her in. Just pull her in. And then you're gonna say, baby. She'd be like, yes. Baby. And then she'd be like, yeah. And then you're sweetly, gingerly gonna say, you ain't nothing but a hound dog. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. Right on time. You ain't no friend of mine. Right on time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. Right on time. Let me know if it works. Never tried it. You ain't no friend of mine.